The Carolinas were founded in 1663 when King Charles II of England gave 8 of his closest friends an expansive wilderness south of Virginia. These aristocratic settlers created a cosmopolitan colony that became known for its religious tolerance and its exceptionally harsh system of slavery. Charlestown, now known as Charleston, became one of the New World's capitals of the African slave trade. Carolinians bought slaves to plant and harvest rice, a crop considered exotic to colonists but familiar to Africans. The Africans' relative immunity to malaria made them coveted laborers on Carolina's swampy plantations. By 1710, African slaves and their African American children made up the majority of the colony's population. Carolina slave merchants also sold American Indians as slaves.
Most of the slaves were actually sold out down to the Caribbean or over to Bermuda because they realized earlier on keeping them near where they had originally come from, in the Carolinas, for example, made it easy for them to escape back to their other tribes.
The practice of Indian slavery in the Carolinas ended only after a bloody conflict between settlers and Indians annihilated the Indian population of coastal Carolina. After the conflict ended, a group of tobacco farmers who shunned slavery migrated to the unsettled northern border of the Carolina Grant. This group founded the new colony of North Carolina in 1712. That year, the British Crown assumed control of both North and South Carolina.